Have you ever wondered how to manifest the life of your dreams? The secret lies not in struggle, but in the power of your imagination. Neville Goddard, one of the greatest teachers of manifestation, revealed that our reality is shaped by our inner world. What you persistently assume to be true, whether good or bad, manifests in your life. The mind is like fertile soil, and every thought you plant grows into your reality. Think of your mind as fertile soil. Every thought you entertain is a seed planted in that soil. The more you nourish it with belief and emotion, the sooner it will grow into reality. Neville taught that the key to manifestation is living in the end. Instead of wishing for what you want, assume you already have it. Feel the joy, gratitude, and certainty as if your desire has already been fulfilled. When you persist in this assumption, the universe responds accordingly. Let's do a simple exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself living your dream life. See the details vividly. Where are you? What do you see around you? What does success feel like? What do you hear? Who is celebrating with you? Immerse yourself fully in this experience as if it is happening right now. This feeling is the bridge between your current reality and your desired future. Hold on to it, nurture it, and trust that it is already yours. When you align your emotions with your vision, you send a powerful signal to the universe that what you desire is already a reality. Doubt is the only thing standing in your way. The moment you replace doubt with unwavering faith, the universe begins to rearrange itself in your favor. Every great achiever throughout history has tapped into this power. They saw themselves succeeding long before it happened, and through their belief, they made it real. Your external world is merely a reflection of your inner state. If you constantly affirm lack, struggle, and limitation, that is what you will experience. But if you affirm abundance, love, and success, your world will shift to reflect that truth. You are not separate from your desires. You are one with them. The moment you recognize this, the entire game changes. So take this message to heart. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Persist in that assumption, and watch the magic unfold. Do not waver in your belief. Every thought you think, every feeling you nurture is shaping your tomorrow. If you found this message powerful, like and subscribe for more insights on manifesting your best life. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. The power is within you. Use it wisely. I am the creator of my reality. My thoughts shape my world. I assume the feeling of my wish fulfilled. Abundance flows effortlessly into my life. I am worthy of all the success and happiness I desire. The universe is always working in my favor. My desires are already a reality. I align my emotions with my dreams. I have unwavering faith in my manifestation power. I trust the process and embrace my limitless potential.